Good afternoon, my fellow freedom fighters of the world, sons and daughters of liberty, knights of freedom. Welcome to another great segment of walking on the Iroquois Warpath, bringing you the beautiful sights of fall from the southwestern Pennsylvania wilderness. Yes, for the next 2 weeks, we'll have this amazing grand finale of beauty by the amazing trees of the forest until they shed their magnificent leaves, and then there will be no canopy of leaves above me, and I will be on the road more because of course this is Project Alamo here, and as you see that orange through the forest there, that's a guard post and also a deer stand. but yes, my sons and daughters in liberty and I are all forming our own Project Alamos. So from Cameron, West Virginia to 100, West Virginia, branching further south into Morgantown now, West Virginia, Wheeling, West Virginia, Connellsville, Pennsylvania, Uniontown, Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Washington, Pennsylvania, Waynesburg, Pennsylvania. Scattered all throughout that area are different pockets of resistance to defend themselves against these elite bastard New World Order sons of bitches, elite bastards, and their armies of darkness they send after us to exterminate us. But meanwhile, as always, when you find my videos, why are the governments of the world and these elite bastards, like I said, these elite people, the Illuminati, the mad scientific Luciferian Orwellian governments, why are they digging underneath the ground? Why are they building massive shelters? There's no threat of nuclear war, even though they say there is. What do they know? What do they know? And why are they doing? They're trying to create they're following the blueprint of the Bible to bring back their Antichrist, which we all know they've been doing for a very long time. Here's another guard stand. Deer stand too. But we have many of those scattered through the forest here. We will defend until the last man standing too. So, but I'll link the Project Alamo to the bottom of this video and the great subject that I'm talking about, because like I started to say, every video that you find of mine is the beginning of a great conversation. And Mel Fabregas, in his VERITAS radio guest, discussed the mysteries behind why these elite people of the world are building massive underground cities. And the name, it is Dr. Courtney Brown. So when the video ends, go check it out. And I'm very proud to say, after today's great march, 9,130 miles. Every 3 miles that I walk is to honor a brave soldier who is lost in this terrible lie of a war that we've been fighting, when the real terrorists are these elite bastards who have mysteriously been building all these tunnels, and they know our fate because they control our fate. But like I said in a video earlier today, we are too many, and we will not let them go with their master plan. We can change history, my friends, because I know we can. I know in my heart and soul. That's why I've been walking for 6 years, to wake up people to the truth and my website. Like I said, go to the bottom of this video, click on the link, go check out Mel Fabregas and Dr. Courtney Brown, and pass my video to your friends and my website. See you guys in the next video. Hope you're enjoying the beautiful fall colors as much as I am.